Hi. Today, let's talk about how to ensure that the introverted participants in our training sessions get what they need. The first is to make the diversity of the room, in terms of introverted and extroverted participants, overt from the outset. You could simply ask, who here thinks to talk? Who here talks to think? In that way, we can easily see that both introverts and extroverts are participating as students and need to be aware of each other's learning needs. Beyond that, before you even get to the classroom, we have to keep in mind how to design workshops that are really introvert friendly. I'm going to give you 5 tips for that, and then 5 tips for workshop delivery once you're in the classroom that will help introverts learn as well. So first, the 5 tips for designing introvert friendly workshops. The first is make sure you design in plenty of thinking time into every activity. The second is, we've all heard of think, pair, share, but consider using think, ink, pair, share, which allows for a little bit of writing before turning to the partner and sharing. The third is to use what is called walking brainstorms, where people, it's not just this extroverted yelling out of ideas. People walk around the room silently, posting Post-its with their ideas and input in certain categories or to answer questions. The room is silent and yet very moving. There's a lot going on in there, a lot of reflection going on as people think and post their thoughts without the, without the generalized chaos that brainstorming can often be. The fourth tip is, if technology allows it, use electronic communication where possible. You can use clickers, instant messaging, and other electronic means. A fifth tip is to provide materials before class so that everyone gets a chance to look at them, but particularly the introverts will appreciate that. So once you're in the classroom, how do you deliver effectively? One way is to make sure you meet everyone in the room. Another way is to challenge yourself to wait 5 to 10 seconds before answering a question. The silence may be very uncomfortable, but it is time for people to reflect about the question itself. How might they respond? It gives some thinking time into the dialogue, which is really important. Make sure that you use meaningful scenarios. Shun superficial activities. Use meaningful scenarios, meaningful activities that are very integrated with the content of the workshop. Take plenty of breaks. And the fifth tip is to challenge introverts at times to speak up. They won't break. And chances are they'll really enjoy having an in-depth, meaningful dialogue. So don't be afraid to ask questions or ask them to speak up. So go ahead and read my post below to review those basically 10 total tips for making sure that introverts really do get what they need from your training classroom. Good luck, have fun, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.